Welcome to our lino printed rainbow tea towel tutorial. You will need a plain tea towel, some craft lino and a lino cutting tool, your stencil and some tracing paper, a pencil, some cork and some glue dots, your fabric inks in any colours you'd like, and your sponge dabbers. Start by putting your tracing paper over your rainbow stencil. Use a soft pencil to colour in the black of the rainbow. Do this quite heavily so that you get a thick line. Leave everything else blank. Take your rainbow tracing and flip it over so that it is face down on your craft lino. To print the rainbow image onto the lino, simply retrace on the back of the rainbow. This will transfer your pencil lines onto the lino. It is now time to cut your lino using your lino cutting tool. Hold your tool so that it curves up like the bottom, like you would hold a spoon. Put your index finger here if it's going to help you to control it. The back of the metal blade should be flat against the lino when you're cutting. It shouldn't be at an angle like this. It should be flat like this. Warning, never cut towards your hand. Always keep your hand behind your cutting tool. Now it's time to start carving. We're going to carve away everything apart from the pencil rainbow. Everything that we leave uncarved will be colour when we come to print. Holding with an index finger near the top, insert the cutter into the surface of the lino and push forward. You should see a slither of lino being lifted away. When carving curves, it's easier to gently curve the lino block instead of twisting the tool. The harder the press, the wider the cut. So take it slowly and think about each cut before you make it. Remember, we are carving away everything apart from our pencil traced rainbow. Once you have carved everything away around your rainbow, cut out your rainbow stamp. Turn over your rainbow stamp and add 3 glue dots to the flat side. Mount your stamp on the cork backing and press hard. Cut away any excess cork. It's almost time to start printing. Take your tea towel and fold it firmly into quarters. This will give us some fold lines to follow as guides. Open up your tea towel flat again and get ready to print. You can masking tape down the corners to secure if you'd like to. Dip your sponge dabber into the inks and apply to the lino stamp. Print 4 rainbows along the horizontal fold line. Make sure you press down all the edges firmly to get a nice even print. You will need to reapply your ink before each print. Stick to your favourite colour or change your ink colours for each row. Print 11 rows of rainbows in total. You can wash your stamp under the tap between ink colours. Once you're happy with your design, let your tea towel dry thoroughly. Then press with a hot iron to set the ink. And you're done! Your tea towel can now be washed at 30 degrees.